Okay guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin SV is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, we had this massive rally. They saved everyone because if you were long, and I bet you got pretty scared when we broke below, and then we had this for the like a week. I would be scared because I was talking about this. If we break below the 23% retracement, it's over. If you go from 172 to 84 bucks. So that's a long ways to go down. So that being said, and this is where I'm coming up with those numbers, this level, the 84, so, I just moved this trend line. I mean, yeah, I said about there. I think that one looks a little bit better because you got 1, 2, 3, somewhat 4, 5, 6, 7, and this was pretty close. So about the 77 level. So you would just lose 100 bucks in price, and that's a lot, especially if you bought quite a bit of this. So the good news is we are holding above the 170 level, or the 23% retracement, and this pair right now looks like a good entry. Now the one thing I don't like about taking along right now is you typically want to put your stop loss below the previous low, and your previous low is what, 150 bucks or so. And if you want to get very technical, it's this wig right here, so 134. I definitely wouldn't go that low, and I definitely probably wouldn't do 150 bucks either. I would put my stop loss, it's like a 161, yeah, about 161 to 165. I would just be very careful. I think this is a good entry at a 170 right now, but it's not like my preference because you have officially your previous low is about 150. So, by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button because that's the only way we're going to reach out, and we're going to help out 7 billion people trade the crypto market. So, help grow the channel by pulverizing the like button. And also, if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So that being said, guys, so I believe there's right now it's a good time to enter this pair, but I wouldn't go too crazy. If you guys are been watching this like a hawk, then I would probably just get my feet wet just a little bit and then put very tight stops. I mean, your risk to reward have to check out. Your next big level of resistance will be the 200-day moving average, or about 207. So I mean, you have a little bit to go before you get to 207. About 207, 210. Probably we're just gonna hit 210 because it's a round number is very close to the 207, and the 200-day moving average can have a pullback. And then, I mean, preferably I want to see a rally like this, but breaking and holding the 38 above the 225 level, the 38% retracement. If we get out of this range, and then we're golden. So I think right now it's a good time to entry. Would you just have to put the stop loss, at least for me, very tight. RSI is looking decent, so that's something to keep in mind right now, because your price is 172 right now. So yeah, and we're holding above the 23% retracement. Now, we are below the 20-day moving average, but we're so close to your 23% retracement at the 20-day moving average that I don't see that being that big of a problem. And the other thing that I like seeing is we have this massive candle with this massive wick. So that means the sellers are definitely want to the 23% retracement to hold, because if we hold, then officially your next target is the previous high, which will be what, 198, and more likely we'll hit the 200-day moving average, so about 207, 210. So something to keep in mind, guys. And by the way, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize the like button so we can help everyone in the world know about the channel and they can make money in the crypto market. And also, we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post the video, so just make sure you leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see it. Thanks again, guys.